Bring. Sorry. Guys. Bring. This is it. This is her. This is the one. Hot We're here at our first. Yeah, so we're at our first stop only. We just finished dinner now. We did hot pot. Just putting whatever, eating whatever. It's literally 9:25 and I am just walking in an ancient alleyway. I'm not creeped, maybe a little bit. So, we are here at our first full day here in China. Get ready with me while maybe I tell you why maybe I chose Shanghai. I always go on work trips, and this is the only trip ever since 2019 that I've had that isn't a work trip at all. So whenever I have work trips, I always put side trips to them because I'm a tourist, you know, and I wanted to like complete the 4 seasons as well. So I've been to Japan in winter, I've been to spring in Japan as well. So the only thing that was left for me to experience was autumn or fall. I didn't get ready at all. Okay, right now we're gonna go with skin tint Izzy Active Skin Tint in the shade Hazel. This is the newest addition to my collection. This is Ingu's Neo Glow Tripeptide Balm. Ingu is actually a brand from Thailand because I was in Thailand 2 weeks ago for work. It's a very like ingredient centered, which is why I love it. It's a very ingredient centered product. He also does his own ingredient research. Like he sources out Thailand extracts and then uses that in his products. Which is great. I'm happy because I got really good pictures. So now we're heading back to the meeting point because it's almost 11. I think we're gonna go to the tea house, the tea garden now.
We are studying down the Loop Bridge. Yeah, that bridge has total 7 or 8 bridges laying down the Hope River. And the
So we're here now at Yuan Old Temple, and there's so many shops, but we're only given around 40 minutes to like look around. Guys, it's the Wizard of Oz. I am at Xintiandi right now. We're given 30 minutes to roam around, which is devastating. So I'm probably gonna be going back here tomorrow for proper pictures and shopping. But yeah, it's very European style, which makes sense because it's called the French concession for a reason. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around. I have an itinerary here, low-key, but like... matcha on their menu. I don't taste matcha. Pistachio lang. Very bland pistachio. Taray. First time ko makakita ng gano'n. Maraming tao? Daming tao.
They're actually pretty cute.
So we are here at Nanjing Road. I already checked out Pop Mart and I forgot the other store. But yeah, Pop Mart's like right over there. But now I'm on my way to Manju. This is it. This is her. This is the one. XL. I'm gonna try the medium long seafood. Oh my gosh, I love it. Wait, I'm gonna look at the mirror. So first damage done at Adidas. Well, it's one of the primary things that I really went to Shanghai. So I got it. The Tang Chinese New Year jacket.
Looking from the 陆家嘴版的寿司。So this is a
We are at the bun right now, and I just got my pictures taken from like one of those gas stations, just so I get a real, like for sure, namagandang picture here sa the bun. Because like this is where people go. That's the Oriental Pearl Tower. It's so pretty here, but it's also really, really cold. This is a mistake. I don't have a scarf on. I have 3 layers, but they're all thin. This doesn't even have like lining. It's crazy. This is today's fit check. Because it is 7 degrees and feels like 3. Kanina, the 6 degrees feels like 0. So, we are all ready to go out. I'm a fan of like the monogram ng Loewe. Tapos ito, it's just 1L. So parang sabi ko, gano'n na rin. So I bought it. Hindi ko pa afford yung 4 na L's. So isang L na lang muna. Napakaganda ng lighting here. And tumatapat ako sa sun kasi mainit syempre. Ito kasi lamig. Oh my gosh, ang lamig. So, binabalance out ko siya. Parang ako nasa Europe. Oh my gosh. I was gonna order food here kasi Spanish food siya. So, I figured na may kanin. So, ayun. Pero hindi naman ako mag-order. Tapos medyo nagre-regret na ako kasi nakaan lang dito sa labas. It's super warm at the back. Hindi ko na ito still fort. My hands are struggling so bad. Pinahiyan ako magpa-relocate sa loob. Yeah, we arrived at Gang Road. So we're just strolling around. Possibly shopping also. It's super nice here. Ang ganda. Small hot choco because I didn't want to alangan. At the cute table. I didn't want to alangan with coffee, so I don't want an accident. So we have this. I'm looking for pasalubong for my dad, and sportswear ang una ko binibigay ko sa kanya lagi. Pero hindi ko na alam niya. Pero I have Nike. something na Shanghai exclusive. Ayan, so nabudol tayo sa Farmer Bob, which is also like an artist ng mga toy art. So nabudol tayo doon. Mamaya papakita ko yung haul ko. Anyway, now we're heading to the Bond again. Kasi I'm gonna watch the light up. Wow, nakita ako. Now I'm gonna go to like the dulo ng Nanjing Street to go and buy mga pasalubong-esque stuff na. So we're back. Okay, we're gonna show you guys down here. So what we're gonna do, I don't know what we're gonna do, but I think we will pour it like that. Oh my gosh, my hair is in the food. Wait, let's try. First bite. Wait lang. Ano, prepare yung first bite? Sinabi ko ng first bite. First bite. Sakto lang siya, guys. Sana yung ano, ito, this is my prio. Yung secret, actually. Di ba napaka-imposible yung tao? Yung secret ang prioritize. Ano? Okay lang. Oh my God! And then this one naman. So this one is Farmer Bob. So like they're like furry keychains. Ang prayo ko here would be, actually this is equal for me. So okay to either for me. Oh, nakatago talaga din siya, no? We are all packed, so I'm gonna go down now because it is time check 8:38 and our meeting time is 9 and I still have work to do, so bye Shanghai. Sabi tayo kanina. Sabi ko mga tumama. Apat naman tayo bumili kami. We're past the station already. And this is the only stick of fur luggage that I found. So our luggage sticker is secure. My next mission is to look for a shaggy. So that's my last mission here in China. Target booked. Bag secured. I'm getting every bit of that packaging, actually. It's crazy. It's like the Dior one.
Charging forward bags using the easy charging port is strictly prohibited. Don't apply.